To read this UK electricity meter, which is dual rate, we're going to cycle through using this blue button up here. So at the moment, it's reading rate 1. The flashing 1 is there. Now, if you have a look around your meter, it should tell you what's what. Rate 1 is N for normal, so that's a daytime rate. And rate 4 is L for low, which is the nighttime rate. Also confirms the times that it's applicable down here. So what we'd need to write down is 09442, ignoring that first 1. To get to the next rate, press this button twice. And now you will see rate 4. 01431. That's the rate 4 down there, the low one. Again, ignoring that small 4. Press it again and it will give you the total of rate 1 and 2 added together. So whatever was rate 1, add that onto rate 2, it will total that there. Press it again, it will give us the time. Again, it will give us the date. This one will show that all the display is working properly, because if there was a few digits out, you might think your meter reading is cheaper than it actually is. Press it again and it will go to end. One more time, we're back to the beginning.